Hello everyone and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to set your video visible to only your friends. Go to the TikTok app from your apps list. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Tap on the video which settings you want to change. Tap on three dot below the comment icon. Scroll to the right and you can find the option Privacy. Tap on this. A pop-up menu will open. If you want only your friends can watch this video, then tap on Friends Only. And you can see the notification video has been set to visible to friends. So that is how you can set your video visible to only your friends. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.